In this video, we'll guide you through using the alert ray indicator, available exclusively on the NinjaTrader platform. First, open a chart and select the asset or market you want to analyze. Next, open the Indicators tab and select Alert Ray Indicator. As you'll see, both Alert Ray Long and Alert Ray Short need to be configured. Let's start with configuring Alert Ray Long. Click on Sound Alert, then select Choose File. Navigate to Windows, C. Open the Program Files folder, find NinjaTrader 8, and then go to the Sounds folder. Here, you can choose your preferred alert sound from the list. Repeat the same process for Alert Ray Short. Once you've finished, go ahead and click on the Drawing tool, then select Ray. You can also use the shortcut F3 to avoid this step. Now, draw your rays. The first ray will indicate the highest high, and the second one the lowest low. After drawing both rays, follow these steps. Select your highest ray, right-click, and go to Properties. Under the Line section, select the color green for your highest ray. Then click Apply and OK. Do the same for the low ray, but choose the color red. It's crucial to choose red and green for the rays. Otherwise, the indicator will not function properly. The sounds you've selected will help you make better informed decisions as you monitor the market. Give it a try and let us know what you think.